using Python to simulate the butterfly effect. If you want to learn more about it, check the description below. That being said, now, the only difference between these three figures is that we took two simulations with just slightly different initial positions. In the first one it was 0.1, the second one it was 0.001, and in the third one it was e to the power of -9. You can see that eventually they all diverge, even though we take just a slight difference in initial positions. This beautifully underlies the highly sensitivity of some dynamic system to initial conditions, which is all the heart of chaotic systems. Now, despite all the seemingly chaotic systems we have, no matter how many simulations we take that we spread across all our space, they seem to be attracted to 2 points in our space. And indeed, our universe was created in perfect order. Now, something that is also remarkable is when you try to simulate the Lorenz Attractor in Python or in any simulation tools, you will get a butterfly, which in a way makes the term butterfly effect come quite in handy. So I hope you learned something new. Feel free to follow me in one of these three or all of them, maybe. Now the Python scripts will be available to my GitHub if you want to play with them yourself and try it yourself. That being said, thank you for watching and goodbye.